Hi, and welcome to another unboxing by DP Computing. Today, there is someone different, not the normal Dave. There is a David doing the presentation. We are unboxing a HP Pavilion Power Laptop. The model number is 15-CB059TX. That's the outside of the box. General battery warning, Intel. I don't know if it's going to focus, but that's the side. It's got a i7-7700HQ processor, Intel. It's also got a dedicated GeForce graphics. Has a 128 gig solid state disk drive and 1 terabyte dual storage. 8 gig of DDR4 RAM. Comes with Windows 10 Home on it. Has a camera and a 15.6 screen. I'll just open her up now and see what's inside. Open her up. You've obviously got the power down this side, and that's just the standard Australian clover cord. Here we have a special little warranty card in its own little pouch. Even has its own part number. I'll open that and show you the... just inside the warranty card. That's that. Yeah, plenty of packaging on this one. Comes with setup instructions with a quick setup on how to plug it in, a quick tour of all the buttons and all its navigation features and touch gestures. There you go. Oh, HP. Nice brushed aluminium outside. Some ventilation down here on the bottom. Now this one's got a new style hinge, where if you look, the hinge is actually the bottom of the screen. See that? There you go. The top, full keyboard with a numpad to the side. Nice brushed look to it. Finished quite nice. Speakers on the top here. On the right hand side, we have an SD card reader, the power and the hard drive light, a USB-C, USB 3 port, a HDMI, and then we also have the hidden away little Ethernet port, and the power goes in here. And then on the other side, we have the lock. Then we also have another 2 USB ports. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're 3.1s, and then a headphone jack. The power adapter is a nice little transformer here with the clover plug, and it's a little unit with the part number of the power supply being really small to read. Well, that's pretty much it. I can't even read that part number. But we have the opening of the HP Pavilion Power Laptop 15-CB051TX. Thank you, and leave a comment.